Hello beautiful people, in this video we are going to be making this very simple knuckle scrub that will help you get rid of dark knuckles, and we'll be using just two simple ingredients that you already have at home. So let's get started. To make this knuckle scrub, we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of white sugar. White sugar is an exfoliant which will help us to get rid of dead skin cells. The knuckle area is a very tough area of the skin, so you need to exfoliate it as often as possible. The next ingredient we're going to use is honey. Honey contains an enzyme which can help in brightening, so we're going to add honey into the scrub to help us brighten the knuckles. So honey is the active ingredient in this knuckle scrub. After adding in the honey, the next step is to mix both ingredients together until everything is well combined. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be showing you how to use this scrub perfectly and what to do immediately after using this scrub. As you mix, if you notice that your scrub is too tough, you can add more honey to make it more runny. So mix until everything is well combined. Once everything is well combined, and now our scrub is very ready for use. So now let me show you how to use it best. Take little of the scrub and apply on each of the knuckles and then scrub gently. You don't want to be too harsh with your scrubbing, just scrub gently as you exfoliate the knuckles. Scrub gently, do not scrub too much because over exfoliation is also a problem. So just scrub gently. Because the skin around the knuckle is quite tough, a lot of times our moisturizers do not penetrate through the knuckles, so you need to exfoliate the knuckles as often as possible. Exfoliating the knuckles will help open the pores and so that your moisturizers can penetrate better. If your dark knuckles is as a result of using certain brightening creams, then you should either discontinue such creams or apply the creams on your knuckles specifically so that your knuckles can blend in with the rest of your skin. Now that we are done exfoliating, let's rinse it off. After rinsing off, we're going to pat dry. Do not dry it completely. And then this next step is very important: moisturizing. You need to moisturize the knuckles. Now I'm going to moisturize each of the knuckles because you need to moisturize the knuckles for it to look brighter and for it to blend in with the rest of the skin. Now I'm just going to moisturize each of them, blend the cream in. Now, if you follow these 2 simple steps I just mentioned, that is, make this very simple knuckle scrub and exfoliate your knuckles and then moisturize your knuckles. If you do this regularly, you will not be suffering from dark knuckles. You will have the best of knuckles. If you found this video helpful and you're going to be trying out this knuckle scrub and this knuckle routine, please make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment, ask your questions, and subscribe to this channel for more beautiful recipes like this. And also please check out the rest of our videos because there's a lot for you to learn from there. Bye and see you.